Are you driving a convertible Audi and you would like to drive with an open or closed rooftop, but you're not quite sure how to open or close it automatically? No worries! Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to open and close the Audi convertible top via one button on the inside and also on the outside of your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. To open or close the convertible top of your Audi on the inside, all you need to do is using these buttons on the center console of your Audi. The top button opens the convertible top and the button below closes the convertible top automatically. To open the convertible top, just simply hold the top button until the process is completed. If your Audi has the keyless entry option, you can also automatically open or close the convertible top with the Audi key fob. Stand close to your Audi, click twice on the lock button and hold the lock button until the convertible top is fully closed and the process is completed. The Audi will pick up the signal and will close the convertible top automatically. If you would like to open the convertible top again, just simply click twice and hold the unlock button on the Audi key fob until the process is completed. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.